Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your terminal app and operating system, so you change the correct settings. Open the terminal's preferences or settings right away and go straight to Appearance or Profiles. Make a quick backup of your active profile now, export or note values, because once you change colors or transparency, you may want to revert. Once done, create or select a profile you will edit. This keeps the default safe while you experiment with backgrounds. Now you choose the background type. A solid color is fastest, gradients add depth, transparency shows your desktop, or an image gives personality. If you pick an image, select a high-resolution file that matches your terminal size and note the file path so the terminal can access it. Adjust opacity and blur to preserve text readability. Make the image darker or more transparent if text contrast drops. Once configured, preview the profile to verify. Finish by applying the edited profile and restarting the terminal so all changes take effect. Set the profile as default if you want it every time. If text becomes hard to read, increase contrast, lower background opacity, or choose a different color scheme to restore clarity. If the image won't load, check file permissions and correct the path. On some systems, you must place images in specific directories. Lastly, save the profile export so you can reuse or restore settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.